Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to find the angle between the vectors. Just follow the simple steps. I am using Casio FX991EX calculator. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is we need to activate the vector mode of calculation. Just scroll, go to menu and scroll and look for vector mode. As you can see, it's represented in number 5. Just press the 5 and your mode will be activated. Now go to define vector. We'll define the first vector. Will take us 3 dimension. Now define the I, j, k coefficients. Let's go with an example. I'm defining I as 1, j as 2 and k as 3. Similarly, go to options and go to define vector and define the other vector, that is vector b. We'll consider it as 3 dimension. Define the coefficient of I, j and k, 9, 6 and 3 respectively. We took as the coefficients of I, j and k. Now we need to perform the operation. Go to options, scroll down, we need angle, the third option. Press number 3. Now we need to define the vectors. The first vector, go to options, vector a, number 3. Then we need to insert a comma. This is where the comma is defined, as you can see, but this is activated on, it will be activated after shift. So first press the shift key, go to shift, insert the comma, and then we need to define again vector b. Go to option, number 4, vector b, close the bracket and hit solve or equal, and you will get the angle between the two vectors. This is how you can solve or you can find the angle between vectors. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. For any questions or queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification for future updates. Thanks again for watching. I hope the video was helpful for you.